Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use my tools database in Notion. So let's go into my Notion here. Okay, so this is the tools database. As you can see up here, we've got two tabs currently. We've got table and diagram tools, and then I would put different tools up here. So like I've got a page for automation tools, so I'll add a new view and put automation tools at some point. Let's go into the total. So these are all the tools. This is a quick description of what they are. Um, Also, mostly what I would use them for, more important things about them. And we got some categories. Show you the categories. So these are different categories of tools. You can set them up however you want. And then there might be a subcategory as well. And this is for the diagram tools subcategory. So this is filtered for this tool type up here. So instead of having to go in and select that and filter for it and change everything, then I can just click up here and it'll take me to a different view with it. And then as you can see, I've still got those subcategories in here to show what they are within diagram tools. And then there's a pricing if I want to record that. This one is important. This is the rating. These are the different ratings that I have. Record how I feel about them. Then if I want to relate them to a topic, I can. So like I have got topics for like website making and app development. Okay, and then this one I use because different tools are kind of positioned differently. But because of my consulting business, I need to capture tools for different kinds of businesses. So this is a way to kind of filter for them. What other properties do I have? Yeah, this is if I want to assign a tool to a project. So like my LifeOS project, I put this tool, which is like a financial API um, portal thing, which might be good for a LifeOS, where you can have your financial data directly streaming into your LifeOS. And function, this is, I think, it's just a defunct tool type category. And then website, like a link to the URL, but I prefer to just put it here in the name. And the way you would do that is you'd grab the URL. Let's take this URL for example. Control C. You would paste it in, and then you'd go paste as mentioned. And then it comes up like that, and then you can drag that in, and it will create the new one. Okay, and that's gone somewhere deep in the abyss of my tools database. Okay, I can just delete it from there. Cool. So that's how I organize them in the database. They also can come up in projects. I mean, not in projects. yes, in projects, but in topics. So this is my business topic, and you can see here I've got a tab for tools. So anything in the tools database that I've related to the business topic, it will come up here, and then that shows those. And also for projects, so open that Life OS project, and yeah, this tab for tools. You can see the tools. Okay, so this is just that one Akahu. Um, what else? So here on the side, I guess I've got some notes or some things that I haven't filtered in. Like I've got a list here of the automation tools. Oh, okay. So this, so this is a page with a linked view. So we don't need this anymore. And so I'll get rid of it by going view table. Filter by automation, and now that I've done that, I can hide this category. Oh, and I can hide that category too. Cool, and I usually like to sort it by rating. And I will wrap this. So I'm same with this. And then I'll rename this automation tools. And then this one, I will also rename it to all. Okay.